Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of this Nutrisystem 5-day weight loss kit. So breakfast, granola cereal, and I'm either going to be topping that with bananas or blueberries or both because I like having a little bit of fruit in my cereal sometimes, and this doesn't actually come with a whole lot. I've had this one before when I've done the month one. If you guys haven't been keeping up, I am going to try remembering to link all the other videos, day 1 through 5, and then after this one is going to be how much weight, if any, I lost in just the 5 days to see if it's worth it or if you should really go for the month box. And if you guys are interested in what comes in a 1-month box and how much weight I lost on that one, I will also link those videos down below, all my Nutrisystem stuff. It should be in my food playlist, but I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. Today I think is going to be a very promising day on Nutrisystem. I tried to save the interesting ones or the ones that I think that I would enjoy the most for day 5. That way I had more incentive to like not cheat on anything. And plus, I really want to see if you follow these guidelines, how much weight you can lose in 5 days, like I guess like a week's time. So this is the granola cereal. It has 160 calories, 2.5 grams of fats. It has 4 grams of fiber, which isn't too bad, and then 5 grams of protein. And then in the back, it just suggests that you enjoy this with half a cup of fat-free milk. However, if you guys have seen my past videos, milk kind of messes me up and I'm not about that life. So coconut almond milk it is, which I don't know if you guys have tried this. I like almond milk okay, and I like coconut milk okay, but there's something different when they're mixed. Just a whole new taste bud experience. I think I prefer this blend a whole lot more than just getting one or the other. If you guys haven't tried it, you should. Califia Farms, just toasted coconut. 45 calories per serving, which is 45 calories per cup. As you can see, not a whole lot going on in there, and that's why I want to add the fruit, because you're supposed to be adding a little bit of fruit and then veggies into your daily diet on top of what you're eating on the Nutrisystem diet. So this is what my breakfast is going to look like today. Just a little bit of blueberries and then maybe 1/4 of a banana, not even, but yeah, looks good. That's good, but I already know that I like granola. Like, I'm a really big granola fan. I like it instead of cereal, or I like it to top yogurt or something like that, like if I want something a little bit crunchy or sweet. So it's not much of a surprise. Hopefully it will keep me full in the morning. Okay guys, it is snack time. I made it to snack time without eating anything else, so it did actually keep me pretty decently full for a while. Breakfast did. So my snack is dark chocolate and sea salt nut bar. There's that. I'll open it up for you guys in just a second. It has 200 calories, 13 grams of fat. Yeah, I guess it's decent. 7 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein. So I've definitely had protein bars that have, let me think, 10, up to like 10, 11 grams of protein. And I think the other ones are like 230 calories, so a little bit more, but a whole lot more protein. This will probably end up tasting better than the other ones because they taste a lot like protein powder. You're still getting your protein in for the day, especially considering I don't normally eat a whole lot of meat to begin with. So I usually have to look for protein sources elsewhere, but I'm kind of used to doing that by now. And then I have my coffee. I did put a little bit of creamer in there because it is really hard for me to drink black coffee. And if I do, it's only a little bit, like once a day, and like half a cup. I can't drink a whole lot of it. It's just too bitter. It's too strong for me. But I do peppermint mocha creamer, the regular, I don't even know what brand it is, but you know, like they sell it everywhere. Otherwise, sometimes I also buy coconut creamer, which is supposed to be better for you, like a better option than getting regular creamer. And that's pretty much all I'm going to be eating for snack, I think, for now. Okay, so taking this out of its wrapper. Oh my, it's already kind of melty. Maybe I should have put this in the fridge. So if you guys get the bars, they're gonna be a little soft because they have chocolate on them. I don't know if that's a duh. It looks pretty good. So like granola, it looks like it has nuts in it. Peanuts. That's good. As long as you guys don't have a nut allergy, I suppose. For ingredients, almonds, peanuts, chicory root fiber. Okay, well at least the first ingredient isn't sugar, so that's a good sign, right? And then the fourth ingredient is dark chocolate coating, which is like the sugar, the cacao. And then it starts talking about walnuts, Rice Crisp, peanut oil, sea salt. If I had to choose between this and then some of the other bars that I've been buying, actually, come here, let me show you guys. Lately I've been buying these Think bars. I just haven't gotten a chance to eat all of them yet because I've been doing the Nutrisystem thing, but it's 230 calories. Just so you guys can get a gist. This actually has 0 grams of sugar, which is a huge reason why I got these. I really want to wean myself off of a lot of sugar. And 20 grams of protein. I thought that that was amazing. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. I'm trying to keep my voice down because Gideon is down for his nap. And I don't want to wake him up, so hopefully my voice is sounding a little sexy this way anyway. I'm going to eat tuna salad. It says real tuna with water chestnuts and onions. So I haven't tried this before. Hopefully it will taste good. I do like tuna. It says serve with a small whole grain roll, which is not included, obviously. But it has 120 calories. Calories from fat 60, so total fat 7 grams. No fiber in it, sugar 2 grams, and protein is 13 grams of protein. But what I'm actually going to end up doing is something similar to this picture. I had lettuce, it went bad, so I won't be able to roll it up into like a little lettuce taco like I originally planned. But I think this might be a little bit more healthy anyway. So I'm going to be putting some spinach in a bowl, and then I'm just going to add this to my spinach, and spinach is supposed to be healthier than like romaine lettuce. Well, at the very least, they say the greener your greens, the better. So, I'm gonna be trying that out. Got my big, huge bowl here. You can see the size of my hand compared to that. It's my favorite bowl to use for things like salads. It just kind of encourages me to add more greens than I normally would. If I had a smaller bowl, obviously. Cut this open. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. It reminds me of those little tuna packs that you can get that already seasoned, like with lemon and pepper, which happens to be my favorite when I buy the packages, just so I don't have to add anything else to it. But I think normally I was thinking of adding either a little bit of tomato in it and avocado. I don't think I have any of those today, so I do have a little bit of guacamole that I'm probably going to put on the side here just to give it a little bit more flavor. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of tuna in there to really dish out. But I think it's enough to just kind of make my salad taste better. So then I added just a little bit of guacamole on the side. Because honestly, I don't know if it's just me, I think guacamole tastes good with almost anything that's savory. Alright, here goes.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
It's tuna.
Let's try
Kids are awake, by the way.
The fast
Well,
one.
kid. Yuri just got home from school.
I'll just try it. That's how you do it. And then this.
So I'll give this an A+, but that's only because I already like tuna. So if you guys don't like tuna, then you probably wouldn't rate this an A+. But in my book, it's good. And I really like spinach. So overall, just a really good combination for me. Okay guys, it's that time of the day. Last meal, 5th day. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so for this last meal, I'm gonna be doing barbecue seasoned chicken, shredded chicken, peppers, and bacon, and tangy barbecue sauce. That sounds delicious. I'm pretty sure that I've had this in the month box and I really liked it. This says serve with a small whole grain roll, which is obviously not included. But I think instead of serving it with a roll, I'm actually gonna put it in a salad, because the other week I had this really good Southwestern style salad that I really liked and my husband really liked, and I think I'm just gonna incorporate the barbecue chicken into it, which I think will make it all the better because the other one was a vegetarian salad. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be putting in this salad in case you guys need any ideas on what to do with this and don't want to be eating the bread, or maybe you do want to eat the bread but you want like a side salad. This is gonna be good. So first of all, I'm going to do the power greens, which is baby chard, kale, and spinach mix. I'm gonna be putting that on a plate. And then I have 1/4 of a green pepper. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of guacamole, some black beans, and then obviously putting this on top. So make sure you guys give yourself a good hearty helping with the greens. You really want to go all out on the greens because, you know, it'll help fill you up. And so will the black beans. So I like to put what's probably equivalent to 1/4 cup of black beans in here. A little bit more. Whoops. Oh well. There we go. I do like my beans. I'm going to be putting a little bit of this guac on the side, and I will show you the finished product. Alright, so this is the finished salad. Doesn't that look so good? I can't wait to try this. So I just put a little bit of guac on there. This is actually not the full serving. I put the other half still in there because I realized this is probably going to be too much for this portion, so I might come back and have more greens and this, or I just eat this by itself or something. So, you guys ready for that taste test? Okay, so I try to get a little bit of everything. The green peppers, the black beans, the spinach, and the meat. Mmm. That is so good. I'm really liking the flavor combination. So, that was my tip for you guys. Just put it in a salad or something. Oh, it's so good. And I think this is going to be a lot more filling than if I just put it in a bread roll, which technically probably can with this other half, because the portion isn't huge, but it's large enough that I could probably do both if I really needed to. But it's really good. I'm gonna finish that off. Alright guys, that was it. That was the end of the 5-day box. If you guys liked this series, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more health videos, for me to incorporate more healthy videos into my channel. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!